and Assalamualaikum. So today me, Aishwarya bin Abdullah and my friend Hakimah will be presenting about the overview of palm oil industry in Malaysia. So the first one is introduction. Introduction as Malaysia as a global palm oil leader. So Malaysia is one of the world's largest producer and exporters of palm oil, contributing significantly to the global supplies of this versatile commodity. With its tropical climate, fertile soil, Malaysia has cultivative oil palm plantation covering over 5.8 million hectares, mainly in Sabah, Sarawak and Peninsular Malaysia. The palm oil industry has been cornerstone of Malaysia's economy, ranking second globally after Indonesia in production and export. Next, for the economic and social importance, palm oil is vital to Malaysia's economy, significant revenues through export and creating millions of job opportunities in plantation. It accounts for approximately 4 to 5% of Malaysia's GDP and contribute poverty alleviation by providing livelihood to smallholder farmers. It's critical for food, biodiesel and industrial products. Next, we are going to the crude palm oil process. So in this process, we have 7 steps. The first one is harvesting. Fruit bunches are manually harvested from palm oil trees. The second step is sterilization. It steams under high pressure to deactivate the enzyme and loosen the fruit. The step is stripping. The fruit are separated from the bunch using the rotary drum stripper. The third one is the digestion. The fruit are heated and mashed to release the oil. Next is pressing. Oil is extracted using the screw press. And the crude oil is separated from the water, fiber and other impurities via settling tanks or centrifugation using clarification. And the last step is storage. The crude palm oil is stored in tanks for shipment or refilling. That's all for me. I will pass to my friend Hakimah binti Salman.
Next, grading of crude palm oil, or we call it as CPO. CPO is the primary product extracted from oil palm fruits. It is graded based on several key factors that directly impact its quality. These factors include free fatty acids, impurities, moisture content, and color. For the first one is free fatty acids or FFA. This is one of the most important quality indicators. The CPO contains high levels of FFA. It indicates that the oil has started to break down, resulting in lower quality. Next, for impurities, these are foreign substances such as dirt, dust, or fruit debris that are mixed with the oil during harvesting and processing. These impurities reduce the purity of the oil and require removal during the refining process. Next, for the moisture. Moisture content refers to the amount of water in the oil. High moisture levels can lead to the faster spoilage and can cause the oil to degrade more quickly, which can shortening its shelf life. The last one is for color. The color of CPO can range from yellow to reddish brown, depending on the fruit's ripeness and the extraction process. A deeper color typically indicates a higher carotenoid content, which can be beneficial for certain products but may reduce its appeal for consumer-grade oils. The quality of crude palm oil is heavily influenced by factors during the harvesting and post-harvest stages. If the palm fruit is overripe or damaged, the oil extracted will have a higher FFA content. Similarly, poor storage conditions and ineffective processing can lead to impurities and other quality issues. Ensuring high-quality CPO starts from the moment the fruit is harvested and continues through every stage of processing. Next, for refining of crude palm oil. Once the CPO is extracted, it undergoes refining to improve its quality and make it suitable for different uses. Refining is a critical process that removes impurities, odors, and color, making the oil more appealing and usable. The refining process consists of 3 main steps, which is, for the first one is degumming. This step helps prepare the oil for further processing, including bleaching and deodorization. For the second one, which is bleaching, during the bleaching process, the oil is treated with bleaching clay or activated carbon to remove pigments, trace metals, and other impurities that affect the oil's color. For the last one, which is deodorization, the final refining step involves the removal of any undesirable odors or flavor through steam distillation at high temperatures. This makes the oil suitable for use in food products without altering the taste. After refining, crude palm oil is transformed into a variety of valuable products. These include cooking oil. The second one is biodiesel feedstock. And the last one is palm fatty acid distillates, which is PFAD. Next, the importance of chemical engineers in the palm oil industry. The palm oil industry heavily relies on the expertise of chemical engineers to optimize its processes and ensure that the production is both efficient and sustainable. Chemical engineers play a vital role in several areas. For the first one is process optimization. One of the primary tasks of chemical engineers is to optimize production processes to increase efficiency and reduce costs. The next one is sustainable practices. As the world moves towards more sustainable practices, chemical engineers are at the forefront of developing new technologies to make palm oil production more eco-friendly. The next one is innovative products. Chemical engineers also contribute to the development of new products from palm oil. For instance, they play a role in creating bioplastics, which are more sustainable alternative to conventional plastics and renewable fuels like biodiesel. Next, to enhance Malaysia's position as a global leader in palm oil production, several factors need to be considered. For the first one is sustainability initiatives. Malaysia is committed to sustainable palm oil production, which is why the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil (MSPO) certification was introduced. The next one is innovation in bioproducts. Innovation is key to the future of the palm oil industry. One example is the production of bioplastic from palm oil, which can help reduce plastic waste and provide a more sustainable alternative. And the last one is global market trends. As global consumer becomes more environmentally conscious, the demand for sustainably produced palm oil is rising.